speaking of regional directors, allow me to introduce our talented group of individuals that are part of your team. Of course, as you have probably learned by now, your regional director is your first source for starting a program, assisting with questions, listening to your ideas, ordering or reordering brochures, and all other promotional items that you may need. For affiliates in Alaska and Hawaii, your person to contact is Executive Director for the United States, Jeff Conyers. For affiliates in these states, your Regional Director is Pam Hunsaker. For affiliates in these states, your Regional Director is Christy Krause. Moving a bit north of the U.S., for program affiliates in Canada, your Regional Director is Katrina Sturton. And finally, traveling across the pond to the United Kingdom, your Regional Director is Natalie Turnbull.